Hello friends, today I am going to teach you a no-bake Oreo tart. Let's start. In a bowl, we are taking 150 grams of Oreo biscuit powder. I have taken Oreo biscuits with cream and just churned them in the mixer grinder and made a fine powder out of it. To that, I am adding 55 grams of soft butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature and is soft butter, then it will be easy. Now we will make a soft dough out of it. Mix thoroughly. Once all the butter is incorporated into it, it will look like this. Now we will take a loose bottom tart mold and we will line it. If you do not have a tart mold, don't worry. You can use any silicone mold and just grease it with oil. We will take a parchment paper and line the bottom. Just put a drop of oil in the center, put the parchment paper, and for the sides we will oil them thoroughly with the brush. Please make sure that you oil them very nicely. Repeat this process with both the tins. I am using small size tart molds as this quantity will yield 2 small size tarts. Now we will take our mold and start putting the dough in it and press it down. Take a nice quantity as we will need a thick tart because it's no bake. It will break if it is thin. So we will start pressing at the sides and at the bottom nicely and evenly. If you feel that any edge is thin, take some more batter and put it there. Press it down nicely. If you see excess at the edges, take a knife and just scrape it off. This gives a nice shape to our tart too. Now repeat the same process with the other tart mold too. Clean the edges again. And our beautiful tarts are ready to pop in the fridge. We will keep them in the fridge for an hour and let them set. Meanwhile, we will now start working on our ganache. For the ganache, we are taking 100 grams of dark chocolate and along with that we are taking 100 grams of fresh cream. You can use any fresh cream. I have used Amul. And now we will melt the chocolate either in double boiler or microwave. We will also heat the Amul fresh cream. And after both are heated, we will mix them together thoroughly. Mix, mix, mix and mix until you have a smooth ganache. Once our cream and chocolate is well incorporated together, we will keep the ganache also in the fridge to set for 1 hour and become little thick. After 1 hour's time, our chocolate and tarts will be ready and we will then assemble them. Now let's start and demold our tarts. For demolding them, first check if it's hard. If it's hard enough, start pressing the bottom and it will on its own come out neatly from the sides too. This is how our tarts look. Take a look. Let's repeat the process with the other tart. Now we will start pouring the ganache. Check it's thick. Let's start pouring in the tart. Make sure the ganache doesn't overflow. Now with the use of the back of the spoon, just level it. I like these swirls on top. You can try them too. Now take another Oreo and remove the cream and just place it on top. Repeat the same. Our most gooey and chocolatey ever Oreo tarts are ready, which we made with just 4 simple ingredients. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.